Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to remove your credit or debit card from TikTok account. Now we need to know that this process is very simple and easy. First, you will have to open your account on your phone, and once you open your TikTok account, you should click on your profile on the bottom right side. And now you will have to click on these three horizontal lines on the top right side, which looks like the hamburger icon. Just click on it. Then it will show you here these options down below. Choose settings and privacy, and after that you will have to choose balance from the settings. So choose balance right here, and after that you will have to give it the permissions, give it all the permissions that you need. So after you give it the permissions, or click on not now right here, you will find the page of your payments. Just click on the balance or click on the coins that you have or any balance that you have inside your screen. Then it will show you here this page. Now when you are able to withdraw, here in my case, because I do not have money actually in my TikTok, I cannot see the option to withdraw. I cannot withdraw something. So let's consider that you have this withdraw button activated. When you click on withdraw, it will show you here this page that you can use multiple methods in order to withdraw your money. So if you want to delete the credit or debit card that you have added before, you can simply click on the payment method. It will show you here this page that you can add another payment method, or simply click on the payment method that you are using right now. Once you click on your payment method again, it will show you here this page. Just click on the delete button and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.